Hi friends, welcome to my video. In this video, I am going to share some easy use tips or accessibility tips with you. Before that, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. If you find the video useful, please try to share with your friends. Also click the like button. To open the accessibility settings, first go to settings and then accessibility. Here you can find many options. The first option is Talkback option. It will provide spoken guidance for using the mobile phone. When I on this option and select anything, it will give spoken guidance for the option.
On. Double tap to activate. Alert, stop talkback. Touching OK will stop talkback. OK button. Double tap to activate. Talkback off.
This option is very much helpful for the person who are blind or partially sighted persons. The next option which we are going to see is Select to Speak option. It's similar to the previous option. It will read the portion which we select. Once you enable this option, a floating icon will appear at the bottom. It will help you to play or pause this.
Navigate up. Select to speak. Settings. On. On. When Select to Speak is on, you can tap specific items on your screen to hear them read.
Like the previous option, it is helpful for the blind or partially sighted persons.
Navigate up. Accessibility. Services. Talkback. Off. Select to speak. On. Instagram. Snapchat. WhatsApp. TikTok. Pinterest Lite. Lite. Twitter. LinkedIn.
The next option is Switch Access. To use this option, you have to enable this option and assign switch for using this option. Then you have to select the scanning methods. In case of your touch screen is not working or your display is broken, you can use this option. Once all settings is done, you can start using the phone using the switches you assigned. The next option is Caption. The best thing with this option is we can change the text size of the caption using this option. If you want to change the YouTube caption style or size, you can change it from here. The next option is Magnification gesture. This option helps you to zoom the mobile screen. By triple touching any part of the mobile screen, you can zoom the mobile screen. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.